afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon. So children, I hope all of you have completed question number 20.
Good
Can you show me your
afternoon.
book? 20, that question number B, I told you to do. Complete that question, yes.
Ma'am, finish.
Finished. I can see now, yes, Felix, Manu, Gautam, yes, Devak. Devak, it's over, or is there any some? It's over, yes. I saw some lines are blank there. So I think question number B is also over.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay.
Can you write? Ma'am, question number B. Last step. Can you read?
No, that was the last step, was the homework, no. You have to tell me what was the last step. Yes, who can help Anthony?
Therefore, both eat equal part of the cake.
Yes. Therefore, Shah and Sheila ate
Equal part of the
parts
cake.
of the cake. Yes?
Ma'am, I have written like this. Therefore, both ate equal part of the cake.
Yes. But therefore, both ate. Okay. So, okay. So, anyway, I will send the notes. And we have discussed all these steps before.
Yes, ma'am. I
leaving the
got
class.
the
Yes.
answer of the 21st question.
Okay. Now, question number 21. Children, yes, 1 minute. I will ask one by one. If you can say
Ma'am,
that.
I got the answer.
Okay. So how many children, if they are ready, they can take the class like this. So it's like a rest for me. So here given, yes, Manu, can you read the question number 21?
Yes, ma'am.
Read question number 21. Yes.
Give that the fractions are equivalent. Find the missing number 10.
Find 10. So children, given that the fractions are equivalent, why they are giving equivalent? To find the missing number. If that fractions are equivalent, children, their cross products will be equal. Yes?
And 22b is 2.
Wait. Don't say together. Okay.
Sorry, ma'am.
So children, what do you have to do? That question, question mark, that we can write as our like one blank bracket, and we have to find the number from which number is missing. So only condition is given that the fractions are equivalent. If the fractions are equivalent means the cross products are equal. So 1 into which number? 1 into which number will be 5 into 2. So 5 into 2, you know already what is that? 10. 5 2s are 10. So when you multiply it by 1 and 10, you will get 10. So 10 is equal to 10. Yes, understood, children? So yes, we will write the steps. Here the question is find the missing number. The missing number you will get from the relation given that the fractions are equivalent. If the fractions are equivalent, you have to write their cross products and equate. Okay, if the cross products are equal means you can easily find out which one is missing. So we can do together. Okay, children? We'll start with question number 21. Yes, children, please take out question number 21. Page 12. Question number 21. Find out the missing number given that the fractions are equivalent. Children, we have to write the steps. Looking at the question, we can see 1 into 10 is equal to 5 into 2. So there is no steps, but we have to write this from the given equation. Okay, given that the fractions are equivalent. So in the answer, we can write, children, given that, because they have given how many lines here? We have 2. Then in the next page, also where there are many lines. 10 lines are given. Why we had to write the steps? Given that the fractions Given that the fractions are equivalent. So, if the fractions are equivalent, their cross products are equal. Cross products are equal. Since their cross products are equal, you can cross multiply. By cross multiplication, by cross multiplying, children, you can write 1 by 5, and which is the next one? 2. Instead of that means question mark, you can write one bracket. This bracket we have to find out by cross multiplying 1 by 5 and 2 by, which is unknown. Instead of question mark, you can place brackets. So 1 multiplied by this bracket is equal to 5 multiplied by 2. Children, if the numbers are small, it will be very easy. Otherwise also, children, you have to find out. How we can find out? 1 into this bracket is equal to 5 into 2. What is 5 into 2? 10. So any number multiplied by 1, you will get the same number. So you can write the bracket is equal to 10. 1 into that bracket, that is bracket is equal to 10. So which is the missing number? If you want, you have place, you can write the missing number is equal to 10. So the missing number is equal to 10. If you have place, you can write that step also. If no place, means you can write a bracket that is equal to 10. So children, without writing the step also we can write this, but here we need to write the step. That's why we, without doing all these steps, don't write simply 10. Okay, they have given you, some children, they will write without any step because these numbers are very easy. They don't want to write the step. But here it is given, you have to write. If the fractions are equivalent, that means their cross products are equal. Like that we have to write. By cross multiplying, instead of question mark, children, you can write the question mark. In the place of question mark, you can write the bracket, blank bracket. And cross multiply and equate. After, when you equate both left hand side and right hand side, you will get the missing number. So the missing number is equal to 10. Like this same method, we have to do question number 22. So can we do question number 22? Devak, can you read question number 22?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
If the given fractions are equivalent, Find the missing numbers.
Yes.
3 by 6 and 9 by
9 by dash. Okay. So, can you say this answer? 3 into that bracket should be equal to 9 into 6.
50.
9 into 6. What is 9 into 6?
45.
9 into 6. 9 into 5 is 45.
54.
9 into 6 is 54.
54.
Okay. So you have to know 3 times which number is 54. So children, to write this faster, we can simplify these numbers and find out. Okay. So Anandesh, did you know 3 times which number is 54?
18. 18 into 3, 54.
Okay. 3 into 18 is 54. So children, if you don't know what we have to do, we can simplify these numbers on the right side. Then you can easily get the numbers on the left side, which is missing. So we will, what can we write the first step? What can we write as the first step? Who can tell me? Yes, Angelina.
Given that the fraction are equivalent, so their cross products are equal. And we
So
should
given that the fractions are equivalent, so their cross products are equal, then we can start.
Multiplying 3 by 6 and 9 by dash, and we can write.
Okay, so we can write together. Okay, children? Yes. Okay, question number 22. Question number 22, and this is page number 13. Then given that the fractions are equivalent, given that the fractions are equivalent, so if the fractions are equivalent, we know that their cross products also will be equal. So the cross products are equal. Cross products are equal. So before writing the cross products, we can write this is question number A we are doing, question number A. Okay, here 3 by 6 and 9 by, instead of question mark, you can write the bracket. Now by cross multiplication, we can write by cross multiplying. By cross multiplying, 3 multiplied by this give a blank. That's we have to find out, which will be equal to 6 into 9. So children, either you can write 6 into 9 is 54. So 3 times which number is 54, that you will get 18. Otherwise, you can simplify this number. This 6 can be written as 3 into 2, then 9. See why, children, we are writing 3 times 2? Because we can cancel 3 from both sides. So it will be easy for you. if you are crossing the similar or the same numbers on both sides. We can cross 3 in the left side and 3 in the right side. So you can write that missing number, that bracket is equal to 2 times 9, which is equal to 18. If you don't want to do this method, no problem. You can find out 3 into which number can be 54. So you can find out 3 times 18 is the answer. So to make it the calculations easier, children, we can simplify 6 as 3 into 2. Why we are writing 3 into 2 to simplify 6? Because we can see 3 times the bracket. So to cross out that number on the right side and left side, we can write in like similar terms, that is similar factors. So 3, that if the two numbers are same on right side also, left side also, we can cancel. So the bracket is 18. And you can write therefore the missing number is 18. Okay. So children, we can write the missing number. Okay. So the missing number is 18. Okay, same like this, you can find out the next one. Now for question number 22, B, children no need to write given that the fractions are equal. You can start from by cross multiplying. You can start from that step. Question number B. By cross multiplication, from that step you can write question number B and find out the answer. By cross multiplication. Yes, Felix?
2.
The answer is 2?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, correct. Okay. So children, so I think this is very easy. So we can write question number B from the step like by cross multiplication we can write. By cross multiplication. By cross multiplication. What are the numbers here? The numerator is missing. Numerator this by 7, which is in a number 4 and 14. 4 and 14. So by cross multiplication, we can write this numerator multiplied by denominator of the second fraction, that is 14. They should be equal to 7 into 4. 7 into 4 is what? 28. Or like the same method, how we can, I told you, you can use that simplification method. Here 14 we can cancel. How we can make here 14, 7? 4 can be written as 2 into 2. So here 14, 7 2s are 14. Here 14 we can cross. Here 7 2s are 14, we can cross. So this bracket is 2. So the missing number is 2. So children, if you don't want to do this method, no problem. You can directly, 7 into 4 is 28. So 14 multiplied by which number is 28? You know that is 2. 14 into 2 is 28. So the missing number is Okay. So the missing number is number is 2. Okay. So here we are not writing, we know that the fractions are equivalent because in question number A, we have written already by cross multiplication. What is here missing? The numerator of the first fraction is missing. So we can numerator of the first into 14. Denominator of the second is equal to 7 times 4. Why we are writing 7 into 4 as 2 into 2? Because we know 7 into 2 is 14. So left side also, right side also we can cross. So that bracket is directly, we can write it is equal to 2. Otherwise also no need to write 7 into 4 is 28. So 2 multiplied by which number is 28? You can write directly. Okay children, is that clear? Can I give you 2 questions to find out these missing numbers?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes? Children, is there anyone didn't finish writing these answers?
No, ma'am.
No?
Ma'am, you will send the notes, right?
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, we can
Okay,
write
ma'am.
this rough book.
Rough book. Now, if you finish, all of you please close your workbook and take out your rough book and find out the missing numbers. I will give you the questions. Cross multiply and find out. Okay, now we are not doing 9.2. Okay, children, we are practicing more questions from this missing numbers. Find the missing number if the fractions are equivalent. Okay, if the given fractions are equivalent, find the missing number. Question number 1. 15 divided by 25 is equal to the numerator of the second fraction is missing by 5. Question number 2. Numerator of the first fraction is missing. Divide by 49 is equal to 3 by 7. Children, find out the given fractions are equivalent. Find out the missing numbers. Write the question. 15 by 25 is equal to the unknown number. That is, we have to find out. Divide by 5. Write these 2 questions. Then write out the second question, then start. Then I can finish, stop sharing. So first write down the question 1 and 2, then start doing the solution. Angelina finished? Yes.
Ma'am, we should know, right, is it equivalent or not?
I said already these fractions are equivalent.
Yes, ma'am. Before sometimes I was having just an network issues and now.
I said these fractions are equivalent. Find the missing numbers. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, wait. Now, yes, Manu, can you say who all are absent today? Agnay is absent, then?
Mama, Agnin was there, right?
Huh?
Agnin was there, ma'am.
Was there?
Yes.
Is he present now?
Ma'am, today I think this
Today.
last period he was there. This period I don't know, ma'am. Some last period he was asking questions to him.
Okay, now Manu, what you were saying?
Ma'am, Diya.
Diya was there. Diya is here. I can see. Okay, Anusri was there in the last period. Okay, now can I say ask who got the answers? Yes. Yes, Gautam. What's the answer of question number 1?
3 into 25. My first question is 3.
The answer is 3. So which is the missing number? 3. Okay, how many got that answer? 3. Yes? Okay, what about question number 2? Yes, Anthony. What's the answer of question number 2? Yes. Unmute and speak. Yes, Chinmay. What's the answer of question number 2? Did you finish? Huh? I cannot hear. What's the answer? Question number 2? Mic is not working. Okay. Okay. So, Alok, 21 you got. Yes, Alok, did you get the answer of question number 2? Yes? It's not audible. So, anyway, Chinmay told this answer. Question number 2, the answer is 21. Did you get the answer? 21. Yes, we can check. Yes. Correct answer, 21. So, children, we can write here the answer by cross multiplying. Some connection issues there. Question number 1. This is the question number 1. So, we can write 15. Cross multiply. 15 into 5 is equal to 25 and bracket. 15 into 5 is equal to 25 multiplied by the bracket. So children, here 25, here also I want to get 25 because I want to cross this number. So for that reason, to make the calculations easier, I will write 15 as 3 into 5. Children, I told you this method is optional. If you do this method, the calculation will be easy. That's why we are doing 3 into 5. 15 can be written as 3 into 5. Now here also 5. Now 25. We have to get the bracket. So 5 into 5 is 25. We can cross here also, here also. So which one is missing? That is 3. The bracket. So you told me correct answer. Okay. So which one is missing there? 3. So children, when you multiply 15 into 5, what is the answer? 5 into 5, 25. 2 is carry. 5 into 1, that is 75. So 75. 25 into 3 is 75. When you substitute, you will get correct answer. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Now next one, question number 2 here we are writing by multiplying the denominator multiplied by 7. You will get 40, cross multiply and find out the answer. So here we will get 49 multiplied by 3. So how we can write 49? 49 can be written as 7 into 7. 7 into 7 multiplied by 3. So you can cross out the similar terms or the same numbers from both sides. So you can cross 7 and 7. So this bracket will be equal to 7 into 3. What is 7 into 3? 21. The answer is correct.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So the first one is 3 and the second one is 21. Okay, how many got these two questions correct? Okay, children. Is there any confusion here?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am. No, ma'am.
Did you get the answer? Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes,
I
Ayman.
need a tip.
Ma'am, if like this questions came, so I can use the cross multiplying method also.
That's what we are doing now, cross multiply.
Ma'am,
We are cross multiplying, but simplification only, I told you can simplify and write, because we can similar, same numbers, we can cross from both the sides. Okay. To make the calculations easier. Yes, Angelina.
ma'am, it's Pia.
Yes, Fia.
Ma'am, you do a trick, right, to find the missing number. I did not understand it.
You can simplify. You can write the factors of that number to make the calculation easier.
Which we use?
Yes, Angelina.
Ma'am, can we use the first method which we used?
Yes, we can do any method. The thing is that we have to find out the missing number. So if one number is missing, when you cross multiply, by which number if you multiply, you will get the answer.
Yes,
Then
ma'am.
that method also we can write.
The missing number by the
Multiply by that number to get, yes, you can do that method also. So you can write another one more question. Yes, children. Question number 3. $14 divided by 28 equal to 7. Okay, question number 4. 18 divided by bracket equal to 9 by 27. So you can use any method. Cross multiplication method only we are doing. Here 14 multiplied by the unknown number. You will get 7 into 28. Why we are using that simply that writing or splitting the number as the product of factors? Because we want to cross the similar numbers. So here we have 14 times one number. So here also if you are getting 14, we can cross. That's why we are using the simplification method. So children, you know, 28 can be written as, how we can write the factors? 2 into 14. 2 into 14. So this 14 we can cancel. You can, I told you as usual, you can do any method, but to make it simplify, we can take the same factors from both the sides. So this bracket is here 7 into 2. What is 7 into 2? 14. Or you have to multiply 7 into 28, multiply and write, then check by which number you have to multiply by 14 to get the answer. The next question, children, you can do as homework. Question number 4 can be written as homework. 18 divided by dash is equal to 9 by 27. So you can make 18 into 27 in one side. That is equal to the unknown number multiplied by 9. When you multiply, you can find out which is the unknown number. Yes, Gautam?
Can you share the board one more time?
Huh?
Ma'am, can you share the board one more time?
One more time. Yes. Write it fast. The time is finished. Yes. So children, when you do here, what's the answer we got? 14. Here, what's the answer here? 14.
Ma'am, finish.
So I told you, if you don't want this method, you can find out here, find out this product. Then check 14 multiplied by which number, you will get this answer. Or you can use this simplify method. This 14, if you want to cross out from here, you have to find here also, split this as the product of factors. So this 14 can be crossed out from both the left hand side and right hand side. So you will get the unknown number. And question number 4, 18 divided by dash is equal to 9 by 27. So children, you can do that question number 4 as homework. Now we are going to wind up the session.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes, children.
Answer. Is it 34?
Which one?
Thank you, ma'am. Fourth one.
No, check it again. Check it
Okay,
again.
ma'am.
Ma'am, I
Okay.
got.
Yes,
Ma'am, I got.
Yes, Anastasia, what's the answer?
54. Ma'am, I got 54.
Ma'am, I
Anastasia,
also
what's the
got
answer?
54.
Ma'am, I got 54.
54
Ma'am, I
is
also
correct.
got 54.
54 is the correct answer. Okay. So children, those who not finished can do this question as homework. Okay. Okay, children. Bye.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye-bye.
Bye, ma'am.
Yes.